Okay, so starting from the beginning, chapters 1 through 3. What is a database and why do I even care? So let's start with what is data? So data are facts or files. This could be text, like in the example there. You have names, you have user ID numbers and email addresses, phone numbers. It could be currency, dates, anything that you can find in an Excel file like this. It could be object, so attachments such as photos, audio files, videos, database files like what you'd have with Access, what you'll turn into me at the end of the quarter. All of those are data. What's the difference between data and information? Information is actually data with context. So you have, like the example there, yeah, we know it's information about people, but we have zero context as to what this is. It could be employee data. It could be a call list for band or something. We don't know. So without the context, it's data and not really information. Okay, so data is organized into a hierarchy. And I should also, just as a side note, we are actually only dealing with structured data in this class, not unstructured. So the structured data is the stuff that's going to fit easily into Excel files and databases. Okay, so data, structured data, is organized into a hierarchy. So here you can see fields, which are basically columns in a table. So user ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, categories of data. We have records, so that is all the information in a row pertaining to a single entity. So Stephen Barrett, stevesbarrett@gmail.com, all that information in that top row belongs to one person. That is that person's record. The entire table itself is called a table or a field, and that's the group of related records. So employee files is an easy example for something like this, but basically anything that fits into a single Excel file is that. And then a database is a collection of related files or tables. And you're going to see in a minute that there's a few different ways of organizing data like this, but a database is like the ultra way of organizing them versus the random mess that you probably have on your computer, which is the example that I'm going to use.